Each of our mornings begins with the singing of our songbird.
The sun has risen, the sky smiles merrily, the day with laughter for miles out.
When she sang, everyone danced.
Sunshine beams, hearts aglow, in every moment shall sweet flow.
You're simply the marvel of this farm, my songbird.
And then one day I hear some bad news from the owner.
Unfortunately, we'll have to sell all the birds we have. Forgive me, my little bird. Circumstances compel me.
When we arrived at the market, a man immediately took an interest in our bird.
I'll buy this bird. She sing at my home.
He bought and took away our bird, and I couldn't do anything.
Now you'll live here and sing to me every morning.
I can't sing when I'm sad. I want to go back to my friends. I want to go home. And then my friend comes and sets me free from the cage.
You won't sit in a cage. Always be free. Fly to freedom, our songbird. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with new content. Your support means a lot to me. See you soon.